Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be replanting my fiddle leaf and my monstera into bigger pots. How exciting. So here I'm just showing you my plants and let's get to it. Okay, so I bought this potting soil from Macro. I think it was about 35 rand, and then I bought these bigger pots at Checkers. I think they retailed for about 29 rand each if I'm not mistaken, but it were not pricey at all. So I'm about to start repotting my plants, and then at the moment I'm just opening the bag, and then I will wait for my commentary. Guys, I don't know why I look so serious, but hey, this is a serious job. And this is my first time, by the way, repotting plants. These are my first plants ever, so I'm so excited. So basically I'm adding a bit of soil to the pot, and then I will remove the plant from its existing pot, and then I'm just checking the roots that they're not intertwined, so that I try and transfer my plant with minimum damage to it. So I'm squeezing the pot so that I can get the plant out easily, and as you can see I'm adding more soil to the plant. So guys, I'm just adding soil to the sides because I've already added soil at the bottom, adding soil to the side and a bit on the top. I didn't want to put too much soil, but at the same time I wasn't sure about the sizes of the pots, but I think I made the right choice in terms of the size. My previous pot was 14 centimeters and these new ones are 20 centimeters, so I moved 6 centimeters up. I will try not to overwater my plants so that the roots do not drown, and all that. So I'm done with my monstera, and then I'm moving on to my fiddle leaf, Ficus Lyrata, and then you see me doing the same thing. And guys, I know some of you are going to say I should have gotten gloves. I agree, but luckily I didn't have any nails, artificial nails, so I just had to wash my hands after, and I actually liked getting down and dirty with the plants, so I really felt like a true, farm girl, although it's just gardening. And that's it, guys. I'm done repotting my plants. Look at the little smile. She's not angry anymore. So yeah, this is the final outcome. It's a bit messy, but I'm happy with my repotting, my first time repotting. And I think my plants look great. And there are various colors as well, guys, at Checkers of these pots. So I wanted white, but then they didn't have white in the size that I wanted, and then I decided to just go with the traditional kind of color. And then right now I'm just cleaning up, making sure that my pots look great. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share with your friends. Bye.